Alright, so the second edit that we're going to do here is a sky replacement. This is another feature that was added into Photoshop that can be pretty useful. Now, if I were to be using this in real life, I'd probably be doing two pictures in the same setting. So, for example, if I was doing this photo, maybe I do a picture that the sky looks really good, and then I'm doing another picture where the ground looks really good, and I could combine those two together in Photoshop using the sky replacement technique. Just so we can really go all out on this thing, we're actually going to be first downloading a free-to-use photo from the NASA website that will replace the sky with something really crazy, like a photo from the Hubble telescope. So here's just a ton of different pictures from the Hubble telescope, and you can decide which one you want to use. So you can click on the photo there, and then you download it by clicking on this download symbol. You know what? Okay, so that makes it the full res. You could right click on it and save image as. Save it somewhere where you know where it is. I'm just going to put it on the desktop. Click save. Alright, so we got that. You can use the same picture that we had done for a previous edit if you downloaded one, or if you have one from your camera roll already to use. Alright, so we'll just go right into Photoshop here. I'm going to close out of this one, open up the photo again, so it's just brand new, and then we're going to go up to the edit menu here and go down to where it says sky replacement. Okay, so once we're in this mode here, Photoshop's going to do a little bit of thinking, so you'll know. We'll wait for that to finish up here, and then we'll continue. Alright, after it has done some thinking, it actually replaces the sky for you with whatever was chosen up here as the sky. So we want to bring in our own picture that we're going to use. So click on the arrow that's right next to where it says sky. And then we're going to click on this little symbol that has a plus symbol near the bottom of this. Then go to your desktop or wherever you downloaded your picture and find it. Then click open. This is going to load that image in so it can be selected. Now we'll go back to the main feature here. I want you to work around with these sliders so you can see how it affects the photo. So depending on how you shift the edge, you might have the sky begin to come down into the ground part. You go the other way, you'll have some of the original sky still showing up. You can fade the edge. This is adding in a feathering effect within Photoshop, so it kind of fades in a little bit. Then you can actually do some adjustments just for the sky. Like maybe you want it to be the opposite direction, right? That does that. Maybe you want it to be larger. You can change the scale of it. You can actually move the image around within the sky while you're still in the sky replacement properties box here. Then there's also some options down here where you can adjust the foreground. So, you can try them out and see what you think. In the end though, once you're happy with how this all looks, we're just going to click OK. We can leave all this as new layers and just click OK. Then it would take just a little while for it to put it together, but you'll see that it actually inputted in all of these layers that are the different pieces that we it automatically put in for us. So once you're done with this, we're going to go up to File, Save a Copy, change it to JPEG if it isn't already that, put it somewhere where you know where it is, don't overwrite your original file, click Save, and then you're ready to turn it in. That's how you do both of these sky edits.